Hello, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, our Introduction to HTML course. We've been talking about the structural ways to divide up a page, like header and footer and main, and to mark off our articles. And now we're going to talk about nav. Nav is for navigation, and we're going to put a navigation block up in our header. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's our header, and we're going to make a nav block for navigation. And what I want to do in here is I want to put links to our two pages so that we can navigate back and forth between the two pages, right? It's going to be awesome. Alright, so this one is the What is HTML page. Make an anchor tag. Close A. And to separate this one from the next one, I'm going to put a pipe character, also known as a vertical bar. It's this guy here. It's it probably looks a little bit like a capital I on your screen, but it's taller actually, and it's above your enter key, the same key as with your backslash. You just hit shift and you can type it, and it's called a pipe or a vertical bar. And then our other page, let's see, href is HTML tags. That was that big review we did. Okay, and we'll call it close our anchor tag. Now, this trick with the vertical bar to separate them, normally what I would do is I would put these links in an unordered list, and then I would use cascading style sheets to transform the unordered list and make it look a lot more like a menu. But we haven't talked about CSS yet, right? This is just the Introduction to HTML course. So we're going to use this cheat. Just going to separate them by a vertical bar. Okay, now for this menu to work, to get back and forth between the two pages, it's got to be on both pages. So we're going to copy some stuff from our What is HTML page over to our HTML tags page. Let's see. I want the other page to have basically the same structure as this one. So I'm going to copy the header and the opening main and opening article. And of course the header has the new nav in it. Alright, so I'm going to copy that, go over here to HTML tags, and right after the body I'm going to paste that. And then of course we've got to close all those tags at the bottom. So, and also get the footer too. Alright, so we're going to close the article, close main. We're going to have a footer. Alright, and all that's going to go right before the close body. So, okay, right before close body. Okay, now that ought to do it. We need to save both of these files. Save all. Saves them both. And then we'll go over here to our browser and refresh. Alright, now check this out. Okay, we're on our What is HTML page. We're going to go to HTML tags, and back to What is HTML, and over to HTML tags, and back to What is HTML, right? Guys, look, this isn't just two pages anymore. These two pages are linked together. Pages linked together in, say, a web, right? We've gone from talking about web pages to now we can talk about websites. I think that's exciting. It's awesome. Okay, so now that we have navigation, we have a way of going back and forth between the sites on between the pages on your website. All right, thank you.